Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. And in today's video is going to be a quick short video. It's going to be talking about a stock split, and two companies are going to do a stock split soon. One in February and one is today, January 7th. So what is a stock split? A stock split is when a company divides the existing shares of a stock into multiple new shares to boost liquidity. In other words, instead of owning one share of worth $1,000, they do a 1-to-2 stock split, which means they divide the price of the company by 2, so 1,000 into 2 is 500, and instead of you owning one share, you have two. This leaves room for liquidity, for new investors, and for more growth. Apple, Amazon, and other companies have done it in the past, and now these companies are going to do it now. So the first company is Smart Global, ticker symbol SGH. They're currently at $63.99. Overall in the year, they've been up almost 433%, which is kind of crazy in 5 years. Market cap of 1.5 billion, which is pretty good, honestly. Analyst rating of 100% buy. Here we have their earnings, pretty stable earnings in the last couple of quarters, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Pretty good quarters, breaking expectations by a while. You can see $2.16 shares per share, which is really nice. So they're trading at $63.99. For Smart Global, the stock split is 1-to-2. So that would mean if Smart Global is trading at, let's say it's rounded up to $64 divided by 2, $32. So if you have 4 shares of Smart Global right now, you would have 8 shares on February the 2nd, I believe. So we can see February the 1st. So no, the dividends will be paid February 1st, and then the stock split will be February 2nd of 2022 of this year. So yeah, that's the first company, Smart Global. Pretty good company. You can see their news, you can see their earnings, pretty stable growth throughout the year. They blew in the last year pretty good earnings, so that's why they're trading so high right now. And yeah, volatility high. The next company, ACY, is AeroCentury. You can see 5-year chart almost up 400% if we round up. Pretty good 2021 and the start of 2022. You can see the big difference. They were trading at $1.67, and then hype for the metaverse and such got it all the way up to $54, which is pretty insane. It has 9 employees, market cap of 211 million, a much smaller market cap compared to Smart Global, which I find pretty interesting. You can see the earnings a little bit more wobbly compared, but this stock split is quite different. This stock split is actually a 1-to-5. Here we have a nice little article talking about the industrial movers of the environment and such, and the blockchains. But for ACY, it's a 5-to-1 stock split, which means divided by 5. So if you have $500 worth of stock, it would be divided into let's say you have 5 shares of, let's just say you have 1 share. Easy, you have 1 share of this stock. When stock split happens on today, January 7th, you will have 5 extra shares. So if you have 100, you would have 500, and you get the rest. Again, these stock splits are just to create liquidity in order for new investors to join in, so the company can get new funding and it can have more money and more capital to do newer projects and such. But yeah, those are the two companies. It's Smart Global and Spirit Aero Systems, ACY ticker. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see ya. Peace.